What's going on, y'all? I know y'all see the title and thumbnail, man. It's time to make another driving video. I said, why not? And let me go ahead and take the most iconic back road that I know that's been on the channel for a minute. And by the way, I filmed this video in Mexico and everything is green screen, by the way. You know what I'm saying? It's green screen. Go ahead and get into it, man. Let's start off by launch. There we go. Woo! That's a good Q50 right there. That is a good Q50 right there. Oh yeah. That was a good launch. Oh my gosh, bro, like, you could feel the tune, bro. Like, it's been raining for a couple of days and I know it's a little wet over here, so I ain't trying to go too crazy, but why not for the video? Why not? Why not? Oh my gosh, bro, like, this exhaust, bro, like, music to my ears, bro. Music to my ears, bro. Oh my gosh, I love this exhaust. So one thing that I really love about this car is the exhaust. We slow down, just in case we got the rollers. You know what I'm saying? Even though this video is in Mexico and green screen, sometimes, you know, that can mess up the video, you know what I'm saying? How the way I edit the rollers up in here, you know what I'm saying? They kind of keep it realistic, the videos that I'm making, you know? Sometimes you gotta edit that in. But yeah, that's one thing I really do love about this car is the exhaust. Like, the exhaust is like literally everything for me when it comes to this car. Like, the exhaust is just, y'all don't hear that? I gotta do a 0 to 60 for y'all. One of these days I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 for y'all. I might do it actually in this video, I don't know. But I definitely want to do a 0 to 60 with y'all. And then the rev match. When I didn't have my G37 and I was driving a Lexus and a G35, one thing I really missed was the rev match. I think I said that in the video too. Like, one thing I really missed was the rev match. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to end this video, but I know that, you know, it's a lot going on. So, well, let me see actually. So I do want to give y'all a freeway pull. I don't care if it's a manual mode or not. I want to give it to you. Balls. Oh, look at that C8 over there. It's clean. Maybe I might run up on somebody who we could race. I don't know. I definitely don't want to end this video, so I'm gonna pick it back up once I get to another back street in Mexico. It's just a lot going on, if you guys can catch my drift. So I'm gonna pick it back up and we're gonna continue this video. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and resume this video, man. Let's go ahead and resume it. It's crazy because I'm finna take y'all on some back streets, some more famous back streets from Reg's video on the green screen. See how crazy like the editing is nowadays? It's crazy how you can do stuff like this that fast, but it's cool. Every time when I'm outside and I'm just looking for someone to run, nobody ever is outside, right? But if I'm in somebody else's car, driving their car, or let's say this, if I'm in my girl's car and I'm driving her car, or we on our way to somewhere, everybody want to be outside. But when I'm outside looking for it, nobody wants to be outside. So I'm always losing, man. Always losing. Woo. From a dig. Woo. Oh man. Always puts a smile on my face. If you want something that's gonna put a smile on your face, get a VQ, man. VQ always gonna put a smile on your face. We both wasn't gonna stop. Freaky. At the end of the day, freaky. Somebody's always been in my way. Somebody's always in my way. Somebody's always in my way. Hey, hey, hey. Whew. Hold on. This car just always just puts a smile on my face, bro. Like, you don't understand. You just don't understand what this car do to me, bro. I done wasted so much gas doing these pool videos. But hopefully I could find like a run or something, bro. Like, I would really make the video interesting, bro. I could switch it from hard pulls to racing, da-da-da. Be cool, but let me keep this camera rolling though, just in case, you know. I'm gonna just take the best clips, but I'm gonna keep the camera rolling for sure. Ooh. Ah, damn. I know that's how the car was feeling. Sorry. I apologize. Car goes so hard, knock your keys back. Blow it. I was gonna blow it. Don't that exhaust just do something to you? Don't it just do something to you? I definitely appreciate you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content as well. Definitely a lot more content on the way. And yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and sit this car down for about 5-10 minutes because I've been driving it pretty hard. Not even gonna lie, it's good to let your car rest and kind of calmed down a little bit, so I'm gonna let it like rest like 5-10 minutes, and then possibly make another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave me a like, don't forget to comment, all of that. Like I said, I got a lot more content on the way. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
They was praying that I fall off. Done stood 10 toes, never fall, young. Finna ball off. And it's still West Side Pasadena.